Hi everyone, we are going to make another Christmas craft, and this time we are going to be making an ornament craft. Notice the different colors I have in here. Notice I have a big ornament and a small ornament. And in today's craft, we're going to use this ornament into a card, so you can send a Christmas card to someone, or actually give it to someone. So you notice it's 3D and it's not flat, and it has different colors. Okay, you need your glue stick, your pencil, and your scissors. So if you want, you can pause right now and you can get those three things. I'm using this color for the background. You can use any color you like, and make sure your paper is sort of long, not standing tall, but sort of like going across, and you're going to fold it in half. Notice I have corner to corner and corner to corner, and then I'm going to just fold it down over here. Okay, so it's sort of like a book. Notice it's like a book. Now it's not this way, it's that way. This is going to be my card, and I'm going to make my ornament craft over here. And then on the inside, you get to write a message and send a Christmas card to someone, or give a Christmas card to someone. Okay? All right. The 4 different colors I'm going to be using is yellow, blue, green, and I believe this is called fuchsia. I'm not quite sure what it's called, but we'll call it fuchsia. Okay, I've chosen 4 colors. I've chosen these colors. You get to choose whatever colors you like. You can even do 2 colors, and if you choose 2 colors only, you just have to double up. So I'm going to show you how many circles I need to draw for 4 different colored papers. If you're choosing 2, I will explain to you how many circles you need to draw. Okay? All right. My friends, you feel free to use paper that you've used before. Let me give you an example. Like, for example, this paper I used last time because I had to cut out some corners and some rectangles, and I can actually use this paper again, and I am going to use this paper again. Okay? So I'm going to recycle the snip snaps or the scraps that I have, or the big pieces of papers I have at home. Okay? All right. So take the 4 colors, put them together. Notice I'm just kind of like tapping them on the table so that they're nicely together. Go around the house and see if you can find something that's round. For example, I had this because I had some Christmas decorations in here, and I like this shape. Notice that it's the same shape as this one. Right? It's the same size circle. This jar I used to make a small ornament. Let me show you. So again, let me put my paper together so it's at the same kind of place. I'm going to use this. Now, if I'm using 4 different color papers, I need 2 circles of each. So I'm going to draw a circle over here and a circle over here. If you're using 2 pieces of papers, then you need 4 circles. Okay, so for example, if I'm using this one, I can do 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. For now, I'm going to use 4 different colored papers and use this size. So watch. I'm placing my round object on my paper. I'm putting my hand on top, and I'm going around. I'm drawing around the circumference, so that means I'm going all the way around the shape. And look, I used my hand to hold it still so it doesn't run away. Okay, I need to use 2 circles. So I place it over here, I put my hand on top, and I'm going to draw around. Okay, if you're using 2 pieces of papers, then you need 4 circles. So we'll see how you do with that. Okay, I'll let you choose. Okay, I'm now going to cut them out. Now, Mrs. Raj has been doing crafts since she was little, so I know how to hold them all together and cut them out. Go real slow with this, you don't have to rush this, but I'm cutting all 4 pieces of paper at the same time. So, and my grip is very strong. It is very strong. I'm not letting go, because as soon as I let go, they will run away from me, and I don't want it to run away from me. Be careful you don't cut your fingers. Look, see, notice I have a very strong grip. Snip, snaps away. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do the other set now. Tap them. Hold it very tight with one hand and use the other hand to cut. Now, if this is really hard for you, then you just have to do them one by one. So you have to do every color one by one, okay? So add 4 over here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm actually going to put them in the same order. So this one, fuchsia, green, blue, yellow. You don't have to have the same order as me, but just make sure that they match. For example, look, they're the same. They're in the same order as each other. All right, this, my friends, you can keep. You can maybe use it for another craft that we might do, right? Okay, and put that on the side. I am now going to fold my circles in half. So watch. This side is going to go to that side. So this side is going to go all the way to that side. And then I'm going to fold halfway like this. Going to keep it in the same order because that will help me. It helps me to stay organized. All right, now that they have been folded, I'm ready to begin my craft. Let's keep this on the side. I'm going to bring my card back to the front. Here it is. And I'm going to begin with one color first. So I've picked up the fuchsia and I'm going to put glue all the way around. I really like this purple glue because it shows me where the glue has gone. Okay, don't put it right in the middle. Don't put it right to the bottom. Don't put it right to the top. Go somewhere in the middle and then a little bit down. So let me show you again. Somewhere in the middle and a little bit down. Almost like 3 fingers from the bottom. And then just press it down. Okay. Get out your black paper and we are going to make the string of the ornament. So this piece over here. And then we're going to cut out a rectangle for the little holder of the ornament. So, a little strip piece of paper, and then a rectangle. There we are. And again, I'm going to keep this paper because maybe in the next craft I can use black paper. I'm going to put glue. Put it in the middle. All the way till the end. Use my scissors to sort of snip off the excess. I'm going to glue my rectangle like this. Notice it's not sitting on top, it's sort of half and half. So half covering the ornament and half covering the paper. Okie dokie. There we are. I'm just going to press everything down so the glue sticks to the paper, sorry. There we are. Okay, now we're going to begin assembling our ornament. Keeping the same pattern in mind. So, fuchsia, green, blue, yellow. The next one is going to be green. I'm going to put glue on one side only. One side of the folded side. And that one is going to go sort of halfway. See? I didn't glue it like this. I just glued half of the circle. I'm now going to glue the other half. So I picked up the blue one and I'm going right on top. So you will notice that there's blue, there's green, right? So it's beginning to look like a book almost. Like I turn the pages like this, okay? Keep it like this. We're only sticking on this side of the ornament. Pick up the next color. And put it exactly on top of the blue. Notice I'm using my finger to sort of press down firmly. Now let's open our book again. So we have yellow, blue, green. See? I'm just making sure that all these folds are good. All right, the next one. So my pattern was fuchsia, green, blue, yellow. Fuchsia, green, blue, yellow. I think this is called fuchsia. I really don't know. Please let me know if you know the name of this color. All right, you go on top of the yellow. Make sure it matches. Again, it's not going to be perfect, but as long as we try our best, we are good. Fuchsia, yellow, blue, green. Now, let's keep going. I had some glue on my fingers, so I'm just using that. Blue goes on top of the green, using my finger to press it down, and then yellow. And that was the last one. Now, the final thing to do is to close the ornament. So let me just double check if I have my book ready. So yellow, blue, green, fuchsia. So we don't want any glue in the middle, because if there's any glue in the middle, the papers will glue together. Yellow, blue, and green. There we are. Good. See, look at that. It's 3D. The last thing to do is just to put glue over here and press it down so that I can have my ornament looking like a ball, looking like a sphere or half a sphere. There we are. And that is done, my friends. That's the craft. That is your assignment for today, to make this craft. And on the inside, you can write a note, a special note, to whoever you want to give it to. So, dear Mom and Dad, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love from Mrs. Baranch. Okay, so that's your card. My friends, once you're done, take a picture of this and send it to me on Teams, and I look forward to seeing your craft. I really like it. Do you see how when you use different colors, how pretty it looks? If you just use two colors, make sure you have 4 circles of each color. So remember, if I'm using fuchsia, then I need, and for example, if I'm using fuchsia and green only, I need 4 of the fuchsia and 4 of the green. Okay, so in total I had 8 circles. Okay, so 4 and 4 makes 8. Because I had 4 colors, I had to have 2 of each. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned for the next craft. Have fun!